In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-step forms in HubSpot. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to enhance their user's experience and gather more detailed information from your leads in a streamlined, user-friendly way. First things first, let's get started by opening up HubSpot. Make sure you're logged into your account to ensure you have access to all your resources and tools. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide. This resource area is incredibly helpful. It provides all the materials you'll need to effectively kick off the form building process, so take a few moments to familiarize yourself with it. After that, head over to your homepage. From here, you'll need to click on the Marketing tab. This will lead you to all of your marketing tools, including forms. Go ahead and select Forms. This section is your central hub for managing all your forms. Now it's time to create a new form. Click on the Create Form button. At this point, HubSpot will offer you a choice between using the Form Editor and the Legacy Form Editor. Either option will work for creating multi-step forms, but you might find that the Form Editor offers a more modern interface and additional features. Choose whichever editor you feel most comfortable with and then click Next. The next step involves selecting a template for your form. HubSpot provides various templates to help get you started, so take your time to browse through and find one that fits your needs and aesthetic. Once you've selected a template, it's time to roll up your sleeves and dive into customization. With HubSpot's flexible editing tools, you can customize nearly every aspect of your form. Modify the fields, add new steps, adjust the layout. The possibilities here are extensive, and they allow you to tailor the form to precisely match your goals. Remember, the aim is to create a form that's easy to navigate while capturing all the information you need. After you've finished customizing your form to perfection, there's one last step before putting it to use. Click on Review and Update. This will allow you to preview your form and make sure everything is exactly how you want it. Double-check for any errors or changes you want to incorporate. And there you have it. You've created a multi-step form in HubSpot. With these forms, you can gather information progressively, which can significantly improve user engagement and completion rates. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your HubSpot capabilities.